Welcome to week 33 of Where Am I Investing? Over the past 32 weeks, I have been building my portfolio using four mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Midcap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focus 30 Fund, and Parag Flexi Cap Fund. Here is how these funds are performing. Motilal Oswal Midcap Fund is down 3% with a CAGR of negative 4%. Bandhan Small Cap Fund is up 4% with a CAGR of 6%. HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 9% with a CAGR of 46%. And Parikh Flexi Cap Fund is up 9% with a CAGR of 39%. My overall portfolio is up 2% with a CAGR of 3%. Meanwhile, the Sensex has grown just by 0.5% in the same time frame since I started this journey on October 14, 2024. So even though growth has been modest, I have already outpaced the benchmark just by staying consistent. Now let's talk about this week's investment. I have invested again in Bandhan Small Cap Fund and have kept my investment amount the same as week 1. That means if I started with 1000 rupees in week 1, I have invested 1000 rupees again this week. And why Bandhan Small Cap Fund again? That's because even though small caps come with volatility, they often deliver outsized returns when the cycle turns. And Bandhan Small Cap Fund has held up well, returning 4% so far with a CAGR of 6%. Not spectacular but steady. I am confident in its underlying portfolio and I believe small caps still have room to run, especially when the broader market cycle turns. If you're enjoying this investing journey, hit that like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Share this video with someone who needs to start their own journey. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss week 34. That is it for week 33 of Where Am I Investing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This channel documents my personal investing journey and is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research or consult a certified professional before making investment decisions.